In Le Havre, France, history and modern innovation come together in a vivid panorama that invites exploration and reflection. Once nearly obliterated during World War II, this city has risen from the ruins thanks to the brilliant vision of Auguste Perret, whose modernist reconstruction transformed urban spaces into vibrant centers of community life. On screen, you glimpse city buses cruising along busy streets, pedestrians strolling by lively public plazas, and colorful urban art adding lively accents to historic settings. As clear blue skies and expansive public spaces provide a backdrop, the spirit of renewal is unmistakable. Le Havre was honored with UNESCO World Heritage status in 2005, marking it as a pioneering example of post-war urban planning excellence. Experience this enduring legacy that continues to inspire innovation and ever-growing cultural pride today truly.